Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this channel, you will find videos on automobiles and auto replacement parts. I will try to give you good video gifts on this channel. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to get regular new videos and product links. Watch now. Latest motorcycle silencer muffler pipe racing bikes parts. Item number 1. Motorcycle pipe exhaust muffler black fit 450 exhaust system junior senior mini SXPROLC silver bicycle bike parts. There is two variation of the pipe, one for 10-inch wheel and another for 12 or 14-inch wheel. Brand name, Perfs Racing origin, CN origin material type, metal. Special features, exhaust pipe. Item weight, 1.95 kg. Model name, 01KT121FS. External testing certification. Item number 2, silencer muffler pipe for KTM 50 exhaust system junior senior mini SXPROLC silver. Brand name, Xpart origin, CN origin material type, exhaust pipe. Model name, M3272. Special features, exhaust pipe. Item weight, 1.95 kg. Model name, 01KT121FS. External testing certification, EEC name, muffler exhaust pipe. Item number 3, exhaust pipe for 39cc Polini GP3 replica mount A7 pocket bike air water cooled racing bikes parts. For mini bike, fit for 2-stroke 47cc/49cc air cooled engine, 2-stroke water cooled engine. Polini 911, Polini GP3, Balta, ZPF, Morini, KTM. These engine fit for mini ATV, mini quad, mini buggy, mini. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to buy these products, then see the description, click the product links and order now. Like, share, and comment on the video. For more videos, subscribe to the channel.